If you want to set your Brave as default browser in your Windows 11 or 10, then just try this simple step. To do that, go to Settings, then click on Apps. Now click on Default Apps. Here in the Search App option, search for Brave. After then, here you will see your Brave browser. Simply click there, and here you can see make Brave your default browser. Now click on Set Default, and now your Brave browser is set as default browser. Also, if you want to change these options to Brave browser, then simply click here and click on Switch Anyway. Then select a default app for PDF file. Just select the Brave and here click on Set Default. By this way, you can change all the options here to your Brave browser. So this is all about your Brave browser to make Brave your default browser. Hope you enjoy this video. If you get help, please like this video and hit the subscribe button for more updates. Tata.